Are you interested in birding? It's an easy hobby to start, and it's also easy to level up. Level 1. To get started as a birder, all you really need is an outdoor space, your eyes and/or your ears, a notebook, and something to write with. Find a nice place to sit and just observe the birds you can see and hear. Take some notes. Write down the sizes and the colors of the birds. Listen to their songs and calls. Write down what they sound like to you. Once you have some data, you can research online or at the library to identify the birds that you took notes on. And maybe that's all you want to do. But if you really like this, maybe it's time to level up. Level 2. Binoculars and guides. You can find binoculars online, in birding stores, and many times in thrift stores or at garage sales. You can spend a lot of money or not too much depending on what you want. Next, a bird book. Field guides are nice, and many of them have a checklist so you can mark off when you ID a new bird. There are also apps that can help you identify birds and their calls. Be sure to keep your ears tuned. If this is enough for you, great. But if not, you can level up. Level 3. Find your peeps. Join a club or become a community scientist. There are hundreds of birding clubs around the country, and a lot of them sponsor walks in local parks and festivals. In many communities, these clubs offer hands-on opportunities, like helping at banding stations, doing raptor counts, monitoring birdhouses and nesting areas, or even aiding with rehabilitation efforts. You can also volunteer for the birds as a community scientist. Level 4. Who knows what's next? Level 4 could be studying ornithology, avian medicine, or even being an ostrich farmer. Let us know what your favorite part of this video was in the comments section. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and a share. Also, you can follow STEM in 30 on Facebook and Twitter, and be sure to subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum's YouTube channel.